In this video, we're going to troubleshoot a problem I'm getting when trying to print a Word document to a flattened PDF. I'm getting a font error and the PDF just will not produce. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jorgensen and let's jump into the ring. All right, so I did some digging and I found a response to this problem that I'm having. And I keep getting this error message in a little notepad when trying to print from Word to PDF. And somebody said this is how we were gonna fix it. I'm first going to open devices and printers. Let's do devices and printers. So I have my settings pulled up and right click the Adobe PDF Printer and select printing preferences. I'm assuming this means manage. And then let's see, under the Adobe PDF settings tab, uncheck the option for rely on system fonts only. Let's see, printing preferences. Here we go. Under the Adobe PDF settings, uncheck the option rely on system fonts. Do not use document fonts. Restart Word and try printing again. All right, we're gonna select OK. Select this. I've got my file open that I'm going to close and let's reopen it. And now let's try our print. I'll do Control P. We want Adobe PDF and select print. We're gonna throw a name in front of it so we know which one is new and select save. And that allowed us to create this PDF. That concludes today's video on how to fix that printing distiller error for fonts when converting from Word to PDF. If you wanna find out how I can help you get accessible, take a look at the link in the description of this video. And as always, I could be your champion for inclusion. Thank you so much for joining me today and I'll see you next time.